We're gonna do a classic duo, eggplant parmigiana with homemade fresh pasta. It's gonna be tossed with the pomodoro sauce. So I'm gonna separate the egg yolks and the egg whites. I only need the yolks, so I'm getting rid of the whites at this moment. So I have my flour, I have my semolina, so I'm just gonna put it directly on here. Semolina. When you do this, you need a fork. So you can mix this in a bowl. You can do like I did. When we get here, we're gonna make a hole because we're gonna need it right here. I'm gonna take my egg. I'll whisk it just a touch to break it up. Look how beautiful that egg is. And I'm also gonna add in a little olive oil. Then I take that fork and I start whisking the center. And while I'm whisking, I'm sort of just bringing the insides to the outside. So then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna kind of cut it in. One thing I'm doing first is I'm just kind of getting it going before I put my hands in it. So that's what I'm looking for. Now I'll take that, put it in some plastic wrap, wrap it, and allow it to rest. A true pomodoro is simply tomato, garlic, basil. That's it. So I'm gonna start with my garlic. I don't need a lot of garlic here. All right, so we'll chop it up. And then when we mince, we just put our fingers right there on the top. So what I wanna do is I wanna cover the bottom, but I want a little bit of a layer. The thing about garlic, we have to be careful. We can't have our pan too hot because it will burn. Tomatoes here, we always hand crush. So I'll take that tomato. I just want to balance chili flakes and just a little pinch. All right, so I take basil, but I'm leaving it on and I'm throwing it in just like that. Done. All right, moving on. Sauce is working. Sauce is almost gonna be done. So we'll just take the corner. I don't need it all off. I like kind of strips. So what I wanna do here is I wanna get some slices that are 1/2-inch pieces. So we have to do something with the eggplant before, or it's best to do. It's called salting the eggplant. This gives the eggplant a more meaty flavor, but it also tenderizes and takes out the bitterness in eggplant. So one way we do that is by putting it with paper towels. And we're just gonna sprinkle some salt. So this is just fresh mozzarella. And so just kind of thin slices. I don't want a lot. I don't want it to be too thick. I'm just gonna get some fresh basil leaves. Okay, so we're gonna use the smaller side for the grating. I'm gonna cut this in half. So I'm just starting in the center and then I'll roll out. I'm just pushing it through. I'm not even pushing, it's gonna push itself as long as I roll it out thin enough to go through. I do every one 2 times. So each time that I move and run it through, I run it through 2 times. See that? I'm just letting it do its thing, rolling it through. So I wanna see my hand, but I don't want it to be too thick to where I can't see my fingers through it. It won't come out until I get it to a point. This one is the spaghetti. That goes right in. The shape, however long it is gonna make how long my spaghetti is gonna be. So I cut the size spaghetti I want. Once you put it through, it will start making the shape. With your hand, you're gonna lightly grab it. So we're gonna take that, and as you notice, when I am pressing, some of that salt's gonna come off too. My pan is ready. I am going to add olive oil. You see how the oil is moving so quickly? That means that it's hot. It's not smoking yet. This is where I want it. All right, while that's frying, let's adjust and make sure our sauce is the way we want it. You can see the sauce is now thicker. Okay, so let's see what our eggplant's looking like. So now I'll turn it over. All right, once my eggplant is fried, I will take my container. I'm gonna put a little bit on the bottom. Now, some eggplant. I just wanna cover the bottom. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of cheese. I'm gonna put parm, enough to just sprinkle over each of these. Okay, now I'm gonna add some basil leaves. So that's a layer. Then we're gonna do it again. Now it goes in the oven. So now we are going to make our pasta. So I need a little bit of butter to finish my sauce. And I like to just kind of break it up a little bit first, you know. I'm gonna take 6 pieces of basil, go straight in. Look at that pasta. What we want is enough sauce, but we don't want it covered in sauce. So my last step, I add a little pepper, I add a little bit of olive oil, and I add cheese. So I kind of pick it up, let it fall, I put it there. I'm going a little bit higher than the center. I got underneath it. I just took a little bit of that oil out, and now I'm just taking it out. We're gonna take that cheese and we're gonna just microplane all over. Then I'll take a couple leaves of my basil, just because I really love fresh basil. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you make an eggplant parmigiano. Super delicious, fresh pasta, eggplant.